Hi students, welcome to Sri Academy. Myself, Fanindra, I'm the director of Sri Academy Institution. Now we are going to, here I am going to explain 2021 ESET Mathematics question paper solutions. First of all, I am choosing here two topics, that is matrices and partial fraction. In next videos, we are going to get remaining topic solutions also. Here just I am explaining matrices and partial fraction topic problem solutions. Let's move to the problem. Here actually in ESET 2021 the exam is conducted in two sessions, session 1, session 2. For morning session ECE, EEE, computers and EAE branch. In the afternoon session mainly for civil, mechanical and mining also and chemical branch also conducted in second session. In both sessions problems I am discussing here. Let's move to the problems. Here the first question, that is matrices question here. The first question is matrices question. Here given basic problem, nothing is there, he is asking unknowns, that is x and y and z. Based upon z only you are going to get 2z also. Here he given basic problem, that is here both equality of matrices given. The matrix order is here 2 by 2, here also 2 by 2. Means indirectly to equate both matrices, first condition is the order of both matrices should be same. And you can equate each and every element with the corresponding element in other matrix. Here first element is x plus y, that value is going to be here 12. And z plus y, second, that is first row second column element. Here first row second column element is 9, that is z plus y equals to 9. And z minus y, that is second row first column element, here that is minus 1. And x minus 2y as it is given here, x minus 2y only. To solve this problem, here indirectly given what, x value, y value, z value, that corresponding values are given in matrices only. Indirectly here also whatever the values are there we can get here. Here x is nothing but, for suppose if you take first option, that is x equals to 5, y equals to 7, z equals to 4 and 2z equals to 8. Like that you have to take. Here see, but we are choosing, first we will find the values. I am simply to get easily I am choosing here first row second column element, that is z plus y equals to, here first row second column element is in other matrix is 9. And one more I am taking z minus y equals to minus 1. I am adding this to simply, that is z plus z, 2z and plus z plus y minus y is going to be 0, is nothing but 8. With this I got z equals to 4. If I take here one more indirectly z equals to 4, I am finding here, I am writing that is z plus y equals to 9. From this equation I am finding y equals to 9 minus z. We know already z value, that is 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5. Here we got y value equals to 5, z value equals to 4. Where these values are present in the options we will see. Here see, here first row first column element is x, but we want a y, that is first row second column element. Here we will check in first option first row second column element, here is 7, here in second option that is 5, and in third option 7 and fourth option 6. But we got that y value is 5, it is presented in the second option, that is going to be your answer, right answer is going to be second option. Here if you take z value also, here z value is at second row first column, if you check here z value also 4. Let's move to other problem. Let's see this problem. Here in this given A and B. Based upon this is asking determinant, indirectly determinant problem is given, that is determinant of A minus B, determinant of A minus B equal to determinant of A, determinant of B. And indirectly we have to find A minus B matrix determinant. Then after A minus B matrix we have to find the determinant is equals to determinant of A, determinant of E, you have to check. and determinant of A minus determinant of B is going to be 1, and is saying determinant of A plus determinant of B is going to be x plus y plus z, and is saying determinant of A equals to minus determinant of A. To find here, first of all I am not finding A minus B, just I am finding determinant of A and determinant of B first. Then after we will check which condition is going to be satisfied, we will check. I am writing here A and B matrix determinants. Write A matrix is nothing but here x and y and z, here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am finding the determinant of this matrix by using shortcut. You know already. Simply I am writing first element at last and last element at first. And here also in third row, last element at first and first element at last. Simply multiplying, I am writing this first equation, that is 8 into 4 into z, that is nothing but 32z plus next equation x into 5 into 9, 45 x, next y into 6 into 7, y into 6 into 7, that is 42 y, next minus, we have to take minus of, that is 9 into 4 into y, 9 into 4 into y, that is 9 into 4 into y, 36 y, next 7 into 5 into z, 7 into 5 into z, minus 35 z, next 8 into 6 into x, 48 x, that is going to be, I am writing here answer. Here we having z, that is 32z, here 35z is nothing but what, minus, that is minus 3z. Next here y I am writing 42y is there, here 36y is there, that is nothing but indirectly plus 6y. Next x value I am writing 45x, here 48x is nothing but minus 3x. This is what, simply this is a determinant of A. Here I am writing a determinant of B, that is I am writing same other matrix, that is x 2, 3, y 5, 6, z 8, 9. That is same manner, but I am not writing here, directly I am taking. First of all you have to write this last element at first, and this x value is here, I am writing directly, that is 3 into 5 into 8, that is 24 y, 3 into 5 into x is 24 y, next plus x into 5 into 9, 45 x, next 2 into 6 into z, that is 12z plus 12z minus, next here 9 into 5 into 2, that is 18y, next z into 5 into 3, z into 5 into 3 minus 15z, next 8 into 6 into x, that is 48x. Now I am writing that answer, that is going to be 24y and 18y is nothing but what, 6y. Next 45x minus 48x is nothing but minus 3x, and here this is what, 12y, right? Third one means 2 into 6 into z, this is not y, this is what, z. 12z minus 15z is nothing but minus 3z. Now see, this is what, determinant of B. This is determinant of A, this is determinant of B. If you observe here minus 3x and here also minus 3x and minus 3z, here also minus 3z and 6y and plus 6y is nothing but here simply we can say determinant of A equals to determinant of B. But this condition here determinant of A minus determinant of B always equal to 0 aitadi, but 1 kaadu. And determinant of A, determinant of B, if you add, you are going to get minus 3x, minus 3x means 6x, you won't get plus x. That is, this is also wrong answer. And determinant of A equal to determinant of B, given what? Determinant of A equals to determinant of minus determinant of A minus determinant of B. That's why fourth option is also wrong. That's why simply first one is going to be right. If you can check here, you can write A matrix and B matrix. That is simply you have to write, you have to take A minus B matrix. Here you can write here A minus B is nothing but I am writing A minus B matrix here. Simply you can observe also, that is x first, x minus x is nothing but what? 0. What are the elements? Now I am writing directly, that is 0. Next y minus 2, y minus 2. Next one is a z minus 3. Next that is 4 minus 5, 4 minus y. Next 5 minus 5, 0. Next 6 minus 6, 0. Next 7 minus z, 7 minus z, 7 minus z. Next 8 minus 8, 0, 9 minus 9, 0. See, if you find the determinant for this indirectly 0, 0, 0, that diagonal elements are 0. Indirectly if you write first equation is, that is z minus 3 into 4 minus 5 into 0, 0. Next 0 into 0 into 0, 0. If you find y minus 2 into 0 into 7 minus z is also 0, you will get always zeros. The answer is going to be 0. That's only indirectly determinant of, that is determinant of A equal to determinant of B is nothing but determinant of A minus determinant of A B also 0. That is simply determinant of A minus determinant of B kuda 0 aitadi. Determinant of A minus B kuda em ochindi 0 ochindi. Kabatti this satisfying condition, that is first option is going to be your right answer. Let's move to other problem. See, in this question is given what? Matrix determinant is given and k into a square minus b square, then k equal to, simply this is a result you can remember. Actually if you follow also you are going to get this, always the answer of this matrix determinant is nothing but 4 into a square b square c square. In the problems also I explained, simply here is missing k, that is k value is going to be what? Simply we can write 4. Either if you write the answer also you will get see, observe the question, simply I am observing here, see, that is from first row, here a square is there, ab is there, ac is there, common what is there? In determinant we can take from row, that is common letter, that is here a is there, here also, here also. In 3 columns, indirectly first row 3 columns you are having a common a value, just I am taking a value, that is a. Next from second row, here ab is there, minus b square, bc means b is also common, I can take b also common. From third row, that is ac, bc minus c square, I can take here also c common, that is matrix is going to be simply, in first row a is 1, that is minus a, next value b, next value c. Next here in second row we taken b common, that is a minus b and c. Here in third row, that is we taken c common, that is nothing but a, b and minus c. C, once again I can take from column 1, I can take a, and column b I can take b, and column c I can take c. I am writing that is only, that is a into a square, b into b, b square, c into c, c square. That is simply you will get here minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, that is 1, 1 minus 1. Whatever the two problem, previous problem and this problem also based upon determinant only, that is I am writing here, simply I will write here, that is equals to a square, b square, c square. Determinant if you write here, simply I am finding directly, that is 1 into this value, that is 1 into minus 1 into 1 into 1, I am writing directly 1. Next minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 1. Next 1 into 1 into 1, that is nothing but plus 1 minus of that is minus into here minus 1 into 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus plus 1. Next 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus plus 1 is nothing but minus, already minus is there, minus into minus plus 1. Next 1 into 1 into and minus 1 is nothing but minus into minus plus 1. Simply plus 1 minus 1 cancel, here plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 4 into a square b square c square. Simple, the answer indirectly is missing k value always is going to be 4. Okay, understanding ma? Right? Let's see other problem. The system of equations are x plus 2y minus 3z equals 0, 3x minus 2y plus z equals to 0 and kx minus 14y plus 15z equal to 0 has non-zero solutions. This is what? This is homogeneous linear equations. Means indirectly homogeneous means indirectly determinant of a not equal to 0, it's only have one unique solution. If determinant equal to 0, it's going to have, actually if a homogeneous determinant of a not equal to 0 means only one solution. That solution is what? X equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. This is said to be zero solution. He is saying what? It has non-zero. This is zero solution. Non-zero means accept this. Until you are going to get the values of x, y, z values you are going to get. Means non-zero solution. Zero solution కాని solution ని non-zero solution అంటాము. అది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే if determinant of a equal to 0, if determinant of a equal to 0, you will get non-zero solution. That's why indirectly here non-zero solution is existed, means simply you have to take matrix A, that is coefficient matrix. I am writing here coefficient matrix. In first equation the coefficients are going to be 1 and 2 and minus 3, and in second equation the coefficients are going to be 3 and minus 2 and 1. In third equation it's going to be k and minus 14 and 15. If you simplify, if you equate this one equals to 0, you are going to get an answer. I am writing once again. If you write here minus 3, here if you write 1, here if you write, you have to write 15 actually, 15 this. 15, this is going to be k. That's I am taking here that is minus 3 into 3 into minus 14, 14's 9's that to plus you will get 14 9 140 minus 14 means 126, that to minus into minus is going to be plus, 1 into minus 2 into 15 minus 30 and 1 into minus 2 into 15. Next to 2 into 1 into k is nothing but plus 2k minus of, next 15 into 3 into 2, 33 is 90. Next k into minus 2 into minus 3 is going to be minus into minus, already plus is already we are going to have minus, that is minus k into 6k. Next 14 minus 14 into 1 into 1 is nothing but plus 14 equals to what? 0. Right, I am simplifying, that is nothing but here I am writing here, that is 126 minus 30 is nothing but what? 96 plus 2k minus 6k is nothing but minus 4k, minus 90 is there, plus 14 is there, actually minus 90 is there, minus 90 plus 14 equal to 0. 90 means 6 plus 14 20, 20 minus 4k equal to 0, that is 4k equal to 20, k equal to 20 divided by 4 is nothing but what? 5. Option is going to be third one. Okay, these indirectly came in from linear solutions. Okay, let's move to other problem. See, whatever the previous problems are given in session 2, matrices problems in session 2, that is afternoon session లో మనకు వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ఇది మార్నింగ్ సెక్షన్లో ఇచ్చాడు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ see this question, if a is given and is asking what a to the power of 50 means to find a to the power of 50 it will take more time. It will take more time. That's why simply actually there is no, it is not going to be any matrix that is form ఏ ఫామ్లో లేదు, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 50 కావాలి. కాబట్టి ఏ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 50 కరస్పాండింగ్ ఏదైతే ఫార్మెట్లో ఉందో ఆ ఫార్మెట్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ ఫైండింగ్ హియర్ ఏ స్క్వేర్, దట్ ఈస్ I will write first of all a square. From here I am writing a square. A square means I am writing you have to multiply 1 0 0, next 1 0 1, next 0 1 0, and multiplying with another same matrix 1 0 0, next 1 0 1 and 0 1 0. That is multiplication with two matrices means indirectly first row with first column, that is 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 1 plus 0 plus 0 is nothing but first element you are going to get 1. Understanding ma, right? Simply I am multiplying arrow, that is first row means you will write 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into 0 0, you are going to get 1. Next same first row with second column, that is 1 into 0 0, next 0 into 0 plus 0, next 0 into 1 0, that is you are going to get 0 here. Next 1 first row with the third column, same, that is 1 into 0 0 and 0 into 1 0 and 0 into 1 0, that you are going to get here element is 0. Next second row, same procedure for second row with all columns, that is 1 into 1 1 into here 1 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 plus 0 into 1 0, next 1 into 0 0, same thing here second row with second column 1 into 0 0 0 into 0 0 and 1 into 1 plus 1, you are going to get here plus 1. Next second row with third column 1 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0, you are going to get here 0. Next third row with first column 0 into 1 0 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0, 1 0 plus 1 plus 0, you are going to get 1 0 into 0 0 1 into 0 0 0 into 1 0, if this element is going to be 0. Next 0 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 1 plus 0 is nothing but you are going to get 1. This is what A square matrix. Here once again I am writing A cube matrix, A cube, that is nothing but A square, that is 1, we can write A square into A, that's I am writing 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is A square matrix. Now I am writing A matrix, that is 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 equals to, now once again same first row with first column, that is 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into 0 0, you are going to get 1 here. Next 1 into same 0 0 0 into 0 0 0 into 1 0, you are going to get 0. 1 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 0 into 0 0, that third element is going to be with second row, that is 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 2 plus 0, that is nothing but 2. 1 into 0 0 1 into 0 0 0 into 1 0, you are going to get here this value is 0. Next 1 into 1 1 into 0 0 1 into 1, you are going to get here 1. Next 0 into 0 is nothing but 0, third element is over, third row first column, that is 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 0 0, you are going to get here 1. Next 1 into 0 0 0 into 0 0 1 into 1 into 1 1, you are going to get here 1. Next 1 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0. Okay, here you are going to get 0 0 0, you are going to get 0. This is what A cube matrix. I'm writing here a to the power of 4 also. A to the power of 4 means indirectly we can write as a to the power of 3 into a, that is a to the power of 3 is 1, a to the power of 1. Next a to the power of 3 is nothing 1 0 0 2 0 1 1 1 0, that is a is nothing but, I can write this from this one directly a square also, same a square into a square also we can write, but same procedure I am following here. You will understand easily, that's why I am using this, that is a cube into a, same 1 into 1 1, next 0 into 1 0 0 into 0 is nothing but 0, that is first 1 plus 0 plus 0 is nothing but, here you are going to get 1. Next 1 into 0 0 0 into 1 0 0 into 0, same 1 0 0, if you multiply you are going to get here 1 0 0. Next 2 0 1 తో multiply చేస్తున్నాం, 2 into 1 2 plus 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0, you are going to get here 2. Next value, that is 2 into 0 0, next 0 into 0 0 1 into 1, you are going to get here 1. Next 2 into 0 0, next 0 into 1 0 1 into 0 0, you are going to get here 0. Next a to the power of, that is 1 1 1 1 0 into this value 1 into 1 1, next 1 into 1 1, that is nothing but 1 plus 1 2 plus 0, that is nothing but here 2. Here 1 into 0 0 1 into 0 0 0 into 1, you are going to get here 0. Next 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 0 into 0, here you are going to get 1, that is this is a to the power of 4. I will write here a to the power, this is a square, this is a cube and a to the power of 4. I will write a to the power of 6 directly, or a to the power of 5 also you can write. Here a to the power of 5 is nothing but what, a to the power of 4 into a. I am writing, I am not writing here matrices, or I will write here, see, we will write a to the power of 5 first of all, a to the power of 5, that is a to the power of 5 means you want a to the power of 4, 1 0 0 2 1 0 2 2 2 0 1, right, that is a to the power of 4 into a. I am writing here a to the power of 4 1 0 0 2 1 0 2 0 1. Let's will check this is a to the power of 4 or not, will check, that is 2 0 1 2 1 0, right. Next first matrix a is nothing but 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0, right. All right, 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0, right. I'm finding it to the power of 5. Come on, multiply 1 0 0, 1 into 1 0 into 1, you will get 1 0 0. Next 1 into 0, this first row is completed, that is 1 0 0. Next 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 1 1, here you are going to get 3. Next 2 into 0 0 1 into 0 0 0 into 1, you are going to get here 0. Next 2 into 0 1 into 1, you are going to get 1. Next here 2 into third row with first column, 2 into 1 2 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 0, 0, you are going to get 2. Next 2 into 0, 0, next 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, you are going to get here 1. Next 2 into 0, 0, 0, you are going to get 0. This is a to the power of 4, 5, a to the power of 5. See, this is a to the power of 4. This is a to the power of 5. I will write here a cube also. Let's see. We will observe here. A to the power of 3 is what? One, 0, 0. Next 2, 0, 1. Next 1, 1, 0. This is a to the power of 3. I will write e to the power of 6 here. Based upon this, I will write, if you can check, that is, you will get 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, 3, 0, 1. If you follow same e to the power of 5 into a, you will get a to the power of 6. See, same format. Let's see, a to the power of 3, and this is what? A to the power of 5. చూడండి, సేమ్ 1 ఫస్ట్ రో ఈ సేమ్ ఫార్మాట్, సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫార్మాట్. ఇక్కడ 3 వచ్చింది, ఏ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 3లో ఇక్కడ 2 వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ 2 తర్వాత 1 కాబట్టి 1, ఇక్కడ 3 తర్వాత 2 కాబట్టి 3 తర్వాత 2, సేమ్ 2 తర్వాత 1 ఎట్లనో 3 తర్వాత 2 అలా సేమ్ ఫార్మాట్. ఈ రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ except these two elements, here also except these two elements, other values not changing. This is odd value, add power, this is odd power, this is odd power. Even power also same, this is a to the power of 4. You can check for a square also, you will get here 1 1, and here you will get 3 3, same a to the power of 4. Remaining elements all are equals. I can write a to the power of 8 here directly, that is going to be 1 0 0. Only these two elements you have to change, that is here 4, you will get 4. Remaining elements are going to be same as same format. This is for even power format, even power. Here x to the power of, if you write a to the power of 7, same, only two elements, that is 1. Here you will get 7 means indirectly 5 లో 3 వచ్చింది, 7 లో ఏమొస్తుంది indirectly, you are going to get 4, that is 3. Here 0 0 0 1 1 0. These are the values. Same as we want a to the power of 50. A to the power of 50 means even number, even power only. Simply here 6 by 2 is 3. 4 by 2 is nothing but a to the power of 4. 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. Same a to the power of 8 means 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. Same 50 by 2, you are going to get 1 0 0. Here you will get 25. Here also 25. Remaining elements are going to be, diagonal elements are going to be 1. This is a to the power of, we can write a to the power of 100 also. A to the power of 100 means even number, that is you will get here 1 0 0. Next here you will get 50 1 0. Here you will get 50 0 1. Even number. We can write like for odd number also. 99 also we can write. 99 means here you will get here, in 99 here you will get 50, here you will get 49. Simple. Understanding ma? Right? With that logic given, simply if you see the question from here same format only, the options are going to be in same format. This is diagonal elements are 1, here diagonal elements are 1, here also diagonal elements are. 50 is given, that's why 50 means indirectly 50 you have to take 25, that answer is going to be second option. Okay, let's move to other problem. See this problem, this is given based upon the condition, if a plus b plus c equal to 0 and given two matrices determinants that going to be equal with one constant. Based upon that, this equation also is given, total this value, this is going to be your answer for determinant. And directly if you find for this matrix, you are going to get here. See, you can check cz into bz into az, that is abc into zd cube into abc. Same, if you simplify this determinant, you will get this value, but we want k value, that's why I am simplifying this, value. Okay, right? I am writing here, that is x, y, z, z, x, y, and y, z, x. Into k. I am writing determinant directly here. That is, if you write here z, that is going to be z into z into z, z cube, x into x into x plus x cube plus y cube. Here you will get k arrow, k into minus half, next to x into z into y, you will get x y z plus x y z plus x y z, that is y into x into z, this value z into x into z into y into x, you will get x. That's going to be, the value is going to be for this, that is k into x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus k into 3xyz. See here given, simply if you compare with that, you are going to get an answer. You see x cube plus y cube plus z cube into k is there, that k is going to be, answer is going to be what? In place of k, what we having? ABC. But whatever you are getting this answer, here we didn't have, but he given one condition. Actually one formula is there, that is I am writing here, that is I am writing directly for a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the formula. With this formula he modified above equation, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c. Here see a plus b plus c given what? Given what? 0. Means 0 into something is always is going to be 0. Means that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube, we can write equal to 3abc na. That's only here indirectly, if you take this as, for suppose in this value we can write minus 3k into xyz. Here we having xyz, 3k equals, if I take abc, simply that 3abc equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube, you replace. That's why actually this modifier no need, simply by seeing you are going to get this value directly abc, that k value is going to be abc only, right? But to satisfy the equation, just I am giving this formula. Okay, let's move to other problem. Right, in this problem given what? The statement is what? Consider the statement with the reference to the 3 by 3 matrix A and B, and k is going to be our constant. K is going to be our constant. Here see, first statement is going to be what? A equals to kb. With that, indirectly if I take both side mod A equals to mod kb, we have a formula, that is what? Determinant of ka, if n by n matrix, the answer is going to be k power n into determinant of a. With that, if you write here k 3 by 3 matrix means k cube into determinant of b, determinant of a equals to, with this statement, but you given what? kb, that's why the first statement is wrong. If you take here argent of ab, this is the directive formula, that is argent of ab always is going to be argent of b into argent of A only, given that statement only, that is going to be right. Here if mentioned for matrix C is saying if A equal to BC, condition is going to be C equal to B inverse into A given. But see here in the statement previous in actually given what A and B both are going to be 3 by 3 matrix, but he didn't mention C is a 3 by 3 matrix. C is not C didn't mention anything, right? That is not 3 by 3 either any, but you can take any matrix. C is going to be any matrix. If you think like that, actually the statement is right. C equal to B inverse into A we can write, but if C should be also square matrix. Why? Because B is a square matrix, A is square matrix, that way inverse is existed. If C is also square matrix, then it's going to be, this equation is going to be right. For any matrix we can't write like, that's why the given second option is going to be a right answer. That is only second one is going to be correct. For suppose you can think this only 2 and 3 are going to be correct, fourth option right anukochu, but sometimes indirectly he didn't mention anything, that's why C is 3 by 3 if he is saying then the fourth option is going to be right, but he didn't mention anything for C matrix, that's why it is a simple matrix, that's why we can't take this statement, third statement as a right statement. Okay, let's move to other problem. This is partial fraction topic, matrices based చేసుకొని problems అయిపోయినాయి. It's a simple problem. He given right this is what x square plus 5x plus 10 divided by x plus 2 is given, that the degree of denominator is 1, degree of numerator is 2. That's why this is improper function. First of all we have to convert this improper into proper, that's we have to divide, that is x square plus 5x plus 10. I am dividing with x plus 2, that is x is there, x into, here we want x square, that's why if I multiply with x you are going to get x square, x into x square, x into 2x, 2 means is nothing but 2x. I am changing here signs, that is minus cancel, 5x minus 2x is nothing but 3x plus 10, this is, now I want 3x, but here x is only, that's why I'm multiplying plus 3, that is 3 plus 3 into x plus 2, 3x plus 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. Once again signs change, cancel is nothing but what, 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. I am writing the equation here, x square plus 5x plus 10 divided by x plus 2 equal to, this is what coefficient, this is what remainder, coefficient x plus 3 plus remainder divided by divisor, that is x plus 2. Here once again I am taking other equation, that is x square plus 6x plus 2 dividing with x plus 3. Here x plus 3 is there, x into x you are going to get x square, that's why I am multiplying with x square, it is going to be plus 3x. Once again signs change, 6x minus 3x is nothing but 3x plus 2. I want once again 3, I am writing here plus 3, that is 3 into x plus 3, 3x plus 3 into 3, 9, that is minus cancel, 2 minus 9 is nothing but minus 7. I am writing once again this equation, x square plus 6x plus 2 divided by x plus 3 equals to, coefficient is nothing but x plus 3 minus 7 divided by x plus 3. Right here in the equation in between these two equations we having minus, that some club writing whatever we are getting partial fraction, x plus 3 plus 4 divided by x minus 2, x plus 2 minus of this total function, minus of x plus 3, minus into minus, plus 7 divided by x plus 3. Here minus of x plus 3 plus x plus 3 cancel, that is 4 by x plus 2 minus plus 7 by x plus 3, where it is 4 by x plus 2 factor is 4, x plus 3 factor is 7. First option is the right. Here if you x plus 2 factor 4 but minus is there, x plus 2 factor 4 but here also minus, that is same options are given. Either it going to be different, here plus is there but x plus 3 factor is 4. Right, this is the partial fraction topic problem, very easy, nothing is there. Let's move to other problem. Okay, let's see the problem. See, simple, nothing is there. What we done means indirectly improper function is given, improper we converted into proper one. The problem here is asking we have to find here a value, b value, c value, right? Already we learn how to do these problems in partial fraction topic, right? Here the quadratic function is given, whatever maybe the linear factor is there. Linear factor means we directly that is from our shortcut, that is Chupana. Simply what a value is going to be what? Simply eliminate x plus 1, that is 3x minus 2 divided by 2x square plus 3, where x equal to simply substituting minus 1 you are going to get. That is going to be 3 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 divided by minus 1 whole square and plus 1, 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. The value of a is going to be what? Minus 1 we got. I am substituting in total equation, above, that is in total question I am substituting what? Simply x equal to 0. Now substitute wherever x is there substitute 0. 3 into 0 is nothing but 0 minus 2 divided by, I am writing total equation, that is 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 3 equals to a is nothing but already we find minus 1 divided by 0 plus 1 minus b into 0 plus c divided by 0 plus 3, that is minus 2 by 3. If I take minus 1 this side, plus 1 equal to minus c by 3. Now simplify, that is minus 2 plus 3, minus 2, LCM is going to be 3, that is minus 2 plus 3 divided by minus 2 plus 3 is nothing but plus 1 by 3 equals to minus c by 3, 3 get cancelled, that is c nothing but what? Minus 1. We got c value also minus 1. Now I am writing here finding for b, same thing I am substituting here, substituting x equal to 1 in total equation, Now substitute in place of x 1, that is 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1 divided by, left side I am writing, in the left equation I am simplifying, 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, here 1 plus 1, 2, here 1 square is nothing but 1, 2 plus 3 is nothing but what? 5 equals to, now a value is going to be minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 2, next to minus b into 1, b plus, I am writing this as a c only, divided by 2 plus 3, 5. Now simplify, that is 1 by 10, if I take minus term this side, it is going to be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to minus b minus c is nothing, minus c divided by 5. Now simplify, simply I am getting here, that is LCM is going to be 10, that is it's going to be 10 means 1 plus 5 is nothing but 6 divided by 10 equals to minus b, c value minus 1 already, it's going to be plus 1 divided by 5, that is 5 2s are, that is 2 3s are, if I take minus 1 this side, it's going to be 3 minus 1 equal to minus b, from here b equal to minus 2. Now substitute in these values, that is a value is going to be minus 1, b value is going to be minus 2, c value is going to be minus 1 is nothing but 4. The answer is going to be minus 4. Here see, you are having the values here minus 2 also, if you find after b, it's going to be minus 2, but it's not going to be answer, that is you have to completely do the problem, that is a plus b plus c equals to minus 4. These are the partial fraction problems we got in ESET 2021. Okay, right. This is a logarithmic problem. It's a basic problem. See, I'm simplifying directly. That's based upon that you are going to get an answer. Here see, I'm substituting here. That is 4 into log 3 base 9 is there. I'm writing here one formula, that is a log of a base b equal to, we can write a log a by log b, but the bases are going to be e. Same by using this formula I am writing, this is going to be log 3 base 9. I am writing this as, converting directly also you can, no problem, right? I can write one more formula also. If you are writing like this, right, I can write that is one more formula, log a power m, here b power m is there, b power n is there, simply m by n into log a base b we can write. That based upon this conversion only. If you see, I am converting here log 3 base e divided by log 9 means 3 square base e. Already we know log a power m equal to, here log 3 base e divided by 2 into log 3 base e we can write. That is nothing but 1 by 2 into log 3 base 3. We can write log 3 get cancel also, or log any base, both are going to be same, it's going to be 1 only. We can write 1 by 2 directly. Same manner, right? Here also same, log 4 base 2 we can write this is as 2 log 2 base 2 is nothing but 2 only. I am writing here, see, 4 to the power of log 3 base 9 plus 9 to the power of log 4 base 2 is nothing but 4 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 9 to the power of 2 is nothing but root 4 is nothing but 2, 9 square is nothing but 81 is nothing but 83. Here see, this we got 83 directly, we got 83. That is, I am writing, I am substituting the equation 83 equals to 5 to the power of log 83 base x. See, actually, for suppose we having x equal to e power y is there, we have an equation e on, not only e, for suppose any base a power y is there, we can write this as a simply we can write the equation for y equal to log x base a. This is the rule of logarithm and exponential relation. With that I am writing here, see, this is going to be, if I take 5 this side, log 83 base 5, log 83 base 5 equal to log 83 base x. Here see, the values are same, 83 bases should be also same, that is in place of x we having what, simply 5. If you substitute in the equation, this in the options, any option, if you substitute x value 5, if you are getting that value equal to 0, then only that going to be your answer. 5 cube is nothing but 125 plus 5 square 25, 4 is 100 minus 4 into 5 20, it's not going to be. If you substitute here, that is in third option, 125 minus 4 into 5 square is nothing but 25 plus 4 into 5 minus 5, you won't get 5 because here 125 means 25, 25 here 4 into 5, 20 minus 5 plus you are getting, that is going to be not answer. If you take here minus, it's going to be your answer, minus, all going to be minus, right? This is 125, this is 100, this is 20, this is 5, that is 125. The answer is going to be, fourth option is going to be your answer. Right, it is also basic problem based upon logarithm only, right? Log x base e plus log, we know the formula, log m plus log n always is going to be log mn. With that I am writing the equation, that is log x into 1 plus x we can write. The always the base is going to be what, e equal to 0. This is the equation I am simplifying, that is in nothing but same like previously, that is x square plus x. If I take e this side, it's going to be e power 0. That is x square plus x. This is going to be 1. I am writing minus 1 equal to 0. Right, we know formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The roots are going to be, x roots are going to be minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. With that I am writing the roots here. If you observe the equation, you got a value 1, b value 1, c value minus 1. I am writing for x equal to b equal to minus 1 plus or minus root over b square is nothing but 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 divided by what? 2 into 1. What you are getting? Minus 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2. Because 4 into minus 1 minus 2 minus plus 1 plus 4 is nothing but 5. Right? That is, here x values are going to be minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 2, and one more is minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. See, actually root 4 is nothing but 2, root 9 is nothing but 3. Whatever the remaining root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8 are going to be between 2 and 3 only. That's going to be always this. Indirectly root 5 value is going to be positive. That too greater than 2. Greater than 2, less than 3. Right? Greater than 2 means indirectly if you substitute in these values, here if you minus 1 minus 2 point something means you will get negative value. Here you will get negative value. If you substitute here, minus 1 means 2 minus 1 is nothing but positive. Here you are going to get positive value. Always this is a exponential form based చేసుకొని చేసినాం కాబట్టి exponential always is going to be positive value only. That's why you have to take the x value is going to be minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 and minus 1 minus 5 root 5 by 2. But x is going to be always logarithm value, always in log values, always in log whatever the value is going to be positive. That's why we have to take minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. This is the last problem. That's indirectly here we seen the matrices and partial fraction problem. In next video we will see remaining topic problems. Okay, thank you.